One of the simplest ways to start a keto diet is by making a list of low-carb foods allowed on the keto diet that you already enjoy eating. This is going to take a lot of the pressure off and help you figure out meals you will enjoy even without the added carbs. Start with your proteins. A super easy way to start the list of keto foods is by writing down all proteins you enjoy eating. This includes any type of meat, like bacon, sausage, steak, hamburgers, hot dogs, and lunch meat. You can enjoy poultry like chicken or turkey, as well as any type of fish or seafood. Plus, eggs go on this list as well if you enjoy eating them. Make a list of fats next. Many of your proteins will also double as your fats, but don't forget other sources of fats. This might be olives, avocado, olive oil or avocado oil, mayonnaise, salad dressing, nuts and seeds. Just make sure you are looking at the carb count and portion sizes. Hey, are you enjoying this video? Then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Add in some veggies and fruits. While you can't have all the vegetables you used to eat, many of them will be low carb. Here are some veggies to enjoy on your keto diet. Cucumber, celery, cauliflower, broccoli, zucchini, squash, bell peppers, mushrooms, tomatoes, lettuce. Plus, you can enjoy berries on the keto diet as well. Focus on balancing your plate. Once you have your list of keto-approved foods that you already enjoy eating, you can then start putting meals together. As with just about any diet imaginable, you want to focus on balancing your plate. This will help you to feel more satisfied and help you get in all the necessary nutrients. Just aim to have foods with protein, fat, and fiber, and you will be all set. Get your carbs from veggies. When you are on a keto diet, your allowed carbs each day is very low. To make it simple, just try to get the majority of your carbs from vegetables. This is a really easy way to look at it. The majority of your foods will be proteins and low-carb fats, then you add in some approved veggies, and you're good.